With all the new leaks coming out about the DJI Avata 2, there was one image which I noticed which, from a technical aspect, I thought that this new drone which is about to be released is actually very interesting and is going to be a game changer. Let's have a look at it. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys, and we're going to be talking about leaks, which is something which I don't really talk about very much, but I thought I would delve into it today because I found something quite interesting. So in recent images that have been uploaded by Igor Bogdanov, he's shown, which I see from the bottom of the box, some technical aspect which I found very interesting. This DJI Avata 2 will have a C-class in Europe. It will be classed C1. Now that's a bit of a game changer as far as I'm concerned, because this gives you a lot more freedom when it comes to flying an FPV and gives you more ability, and you don't have to be far outside from like a population. So this is a game changer. Also, it's a little bit more quieter than the original Avatar because that was 82 decibels as far as I know, and the new one is now showing to be 81, which is the same dB level as the DJI Air 3. And certainly a lot more quieter than the Mavic 3 series as well. So a real game changer, this drone, and I think that this is something which I think I'll be looking to get, because I've not really been too interested in getting the FPV because I don't really have the freedom to fly. I would have to go outside quite far from people and whatnot, and but I think that this could change things slightly for the FPV community. So really interested, are you going to get this drone? Is this going to change your mind? Of course, those in the US and those in the UK, this doesn't really change much for you because the rules still apply, but for those in Europe, gives a lot more flexibility. So please give this a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.